This weekend we continued the stairs upgrade project. We added a skirt on the outside as well as a couple more trim pieces. This cold air return that's here is not useful for us anymore. We upgraded to a heat pump a long time ago and our furnace is not even here anymore. So disclaimer, do not do this if you have a working furnace. This is important for airflow. But because we didn't need it anymore and it was literally sucking the heat out of our house into the garage, we put foam over that hole and then we're going to drywall over this section. So in order to secure the drywall correctly, I needed to cut back some of the old so I could secure the new to the framing that was around there. So I cut that off with my multi-tool, sized a new piece, put a piece of wood backing because I would need two pieces and needed extra support where they connected, and then secured it all in with drywall screws. And then I went through, cleaned up the edges, and then started cleaning up my space from any dust so that would not get into the drywall compound. Put on my mesh tape and then continued on with the drywall mudding. Ultimately, I'll be putting shiplap on this wall to make it an accent wall. So the mudding here, this is a rough first coat, but overall I'm not too worried about perfection. Check back soon as I shiplap this wall and paint it all and then add the handrails too.